first video, and so it's mine. So let's do this.
Wait, I always go up to the light every single time we play this.
Every single time you always go up there. Every single time you always go the same exact way the monster is. And I think I just heard it. I see a banana buck.
Cool. Usually those are like by certain things.
I think. Wait, I hit a button. Down here.
One more.
I think it's down this way. Run! I heard him. This is the last one. Down here. Bro, I know this level so well.
Boom, I heard it open.
Yeah. Let's go.
Follow me.
That's why I never go first. Are you serious? Lots of banana bucks in this level. I like to speedrun the game because then they get lots of banana bucks.
Bomb!
Yes! Let's go!
That was a long tunnel!
Oh my god!